Well, hi there, everyone. It's Noreen from Creative Memories here, and I am so excited to show you the latest in our series of monthly page kits, the This Life Simple Page Kit number 3. Now, if you're not familiar with our This Life Simple Page Kits, they truly are the fastest and easiest way to create a beautiful 2-page scrapbook layout. Each kit includes the 2 base pages, a cut-apart sheet, 1 sticker sheet, and all the instructions and photos that you'll need to follow. And this is how simple it is to put the layout together. Simply flip over the cut apart sheet and cut along the lines on the back with your 12-inch trimmer or scissors. Scissors come in really handy to make these smaller cuts. And then you're going to arrange the numbered pieces onto the base pages according to the instructions and the sketch shown right here on the package insert. And before you know it, you'll have assembled a stunning spread in no time. Now you're going to love the This Life Simple Page Kit 3 for photos of St. Patrick's Day parties and events, but also of springtime activities and outdoor adventures. The palette of green, soft yellow, and orange, elements like shamrocks and tulips and rainbows, and word options such as charmed life and hello spring really allow you to create whatever kind of layout goes with your photos. And we really make it easy for you to customize your page and make it truly yours by adding in phrases that you can combine in many ways. So for example, you can use this lucky sticker with photos of St. Patrick's Day, but you can combine it with any of these other stickers to have a whole different meaning. Lucky to have you, happy-go-lucky, lucky in love, lucky days. So it's really going to make your simple page kit unlike anyone else's. And that's not just luck, it's just the magic of creative memories.